Hello and welcome. Today we are going to be taking you step by step through the process of completing an entry and exit report via the Pure Locations mobile app. Let's get started. To complete your entry and exit report, you will need to download the Pure Locations mobile app via the Apple Store or Google Play. If you already have our app, please ensure it is updated to the latest version. We will then need you to either log into an existing account or register for free. We'll ask you some basic details to create your profile, such as your name and email address, and please don't worry, we will not spam you with communications. Then simply set up your password. We do ask that you please use the same email address you have provided to Pure Locations. Once logged in, select the Reports icon from the menu on the bottom of the screen. Then select Create New Entry Report. Next, you will be asked to input a 5-digit PIN code before proceeding to the report. This is simply as a form of identity verification and so that we can retrieve the correct details of your specific shoot or event. Please note, our team will email you this PIN code within the entry instructions the day prior to your shoot or event. When you have entered the PIN code, click Search. You will then see a message that your shoot or event details have been found. Click Continue. This will now bring up all of your shoot details, ready for you to start the entry report. Before you go ahead, be sure to scroll to the very bottom of the screen and make sure the Set Exit Report Reminder box is ticked. This will send a notification to your phone 30 minutes prior to bump out and is a really helpful prompt at the end of the day. Next, click to add a new area and you're now filling out the entry report. Be sure to add any areas of use within the home that are included within the hire agreement. For this example, I'll go ahead and add the living room. Click to take a photo or add an image from your photo gallery. Start by taking a wide photo that captures the entire space, then take additional close-up photos of any pre-existing damage to the home, ensuring the images are clear and focused. After adding the image, you will be provided with the option to add an additional comment or description of the area. This is optional, so just press skip if there's no comment required. However, in the sense of an entry and exit report, the more information we have, the better, in the case that we do need to refer back to it at a later date. As you move around the home, click Add New Area for each zone. I'll go ahead here and add the home office just as an example. When you have finished adding the photos of each area, scroll down to add your signature and click Save Entry Report. Upon submitting the report, you will see a green notification banner saying that a reminder has been set for your exit report 30 minutes before bump out. When it comes time to complete your exit report, simply go back into the Pure Locations app and click into Reports on the bottom banner. Under Saved Reports, you will see a highlighted yellow tab saying Exit Report Required. Click here and complete your report just as you did upon entry. Be sure to retake any of the same photos that you did upon bump in, and if applicable, capture absolutely any damage that may have occurred on set, big or small. Add your signature once again and click Save Exit Report to submit. You will then see a collated preview of the entire entry and exit report with all of the images you've taken, the comments and the timestamps, which you can easily share with your team or print using the banner at the bottom of the screen. And that's it. Next time you're on set, we greatly encourage you to open the Pure Locations app and take a few minutes to complete your entry and exit reports. It's a small step for added peace of mind and clarity in the case that damages do unfortunately occur. As always, our team are here to assist, so please reach out if you need any further help.